Now let us continue to our topic magnetic materials. Magnetic materials are classified into different categories based on their magnetic parameters and also on the basis of effect of temperature and magnetic field on the magnetic properties. So, all materials are classified broadly into the following categories: diamagnetic material, paramagnetic material, ferromagnetic material, antiferromagnetic material, and ferrimagnetic materials. In a diamagnetic material, atoms have no net magnetic moment when there is no applied field. Under the influence of applied field or H, the spinning electron process and this motion, which is a type of electric current, produces a magnetization in the opposite direction to that of the applied field. The value of susceptibility is independent of temperature. General properties of diamagnetic materials are: they experience a repelling force when brought near the pole of a strong magnet. Magnetic susceptibility of these material is always negative. Relative permeability is always less than 1. In absence of external field, net magnetic dipole moment over each atom or molecule of a diamagnetic material is 0. This is due to pairing of electrons. Bismuth, copper, lead, zinc, etc. are the example of diamagnetic materials. Paramagnetic substances are those substances that get weakly magnetized in the presence of an external magnetic field. In presence of external magnetic field, these substances tend to move from region of weak to strong magnetic field. In other terms, we can say that these substances tend to get weakly attracted to a permanent magnet. In a paramagnetic material, individual atoms possess dipole moment, which when placed in a magnetic field, interact with one another and get spontaneously aligned in a common direction, which results in its magnetization. As per the Curie's law, magnetism of paramagnetic substance is inversely proportional to the absolute temperature until it reaches a state of saturation. General properties of paramagnetic materials are: paramagnetic materials experience a feeble attractive force when brought near the pole of a magnet. These materials possess some permanent dipole moment which arise due to some unpaired electrons. Magnetic susceptibility is small and positive. Aluminium, magnesium, platinum, crown glass are the example of paramagnetic materials. Ferromagnetic substances are those substances that when it's placed in an external magnetic field get strongly magnetized in the direction of the applied field. Also, they tend to move from region of weak to strong magnetic field and get strongly attracted towards a magnet. In a ferromagnetic material, individual atoms possess a dipole moment similar to paramagnetic material. But when placed in a magnetic field, atoms interact with one another and get spontaneously aligned in a common direction. The direction is common over a macroscopic volume which we term as a domain. The domain has a net magnetization and each domain directs itself in the direction of B, which results in strong magnetization. General properties of ferromagnetic materials are: ferromagnetic material experience a very strong attractive force when brought near the poles of a magnet. Permeability is very much greater than 1. Susceptibility is positive and high and depend upon the temperature in a complex manner. This behavior is shown in a figure. Fe, Co, Ni, MnAs, etc. are the example of ferromagnetic materials. Antiferromagnetic material are very similar to ferromagnetic materials, but exchange interaction between neighboring atoms leads to anti-parallel alignment of an atomic magnetic moment. Therefore, magnetic field cancels out and material appear to behave in the same way as the paramagnetic material. General properties of antiferromagnetic materials are like ferromagnetic material. Antiferromagnetic material also possess dipole moment due to spin of electrons. The opposite alignment of adjacent dipoles due to an exchange interaction. The susceptibility is very small and positive. In figure shows the behavior of susceptibility versus magnetization. Again, this material become paramagnetic above a transition temperature known as a Néel temperature. Ferrimagnetism is only observed in compounds which have more complex crystal structure than pure elements. Within these materials, the exchange interaction lead to parallel alignment of the atoms in some of the crystal sites and anti-parallel alignments of the others. The material break down into magnetic domains just like a ferromagnetic material, and magnetic behavior is also very similar to although ferrimagnetic materials usually have lower saturation magnetization. General properties of ferrimagnetic materials are: ferrimagnetic material possess magnetic dipole moment due to spin of electron. Ferrimagnetic material is composed of more state of different transition element. Susceptibility is very large and positive. Nickel, ferrite, ferrous ferrite are the example of ferrimagnetic materials.